to bring this exhibition to campus. We're very proud of it. We have objects from all over the country. We have stuff from California, stuff from Maine, and we're very, very pleased to be able to present this to the campus.
Thanks for all of you to come and all the great comments and feedback I've gotten today and since the show's been up. We left these last pieces to go up today for some reasons, but it's a good thing for the opening to have this more pedagogical imagery that's going around the circumference of the gallery. And it's there for you to understand a little bit about the fact that these people are here working in our country. From California to Maine, we have artists, or actually some of them. Ben Owen is literally on the map. If you ever open up the map that you get at the Welcome Center, there's Ben right in the middle. So to just, as far as the educational stance of this show, for you to understand that this is a job that people actually do for you. Another thing that happened today was a colleague of mine here outside of art came up to me and was talking to me about basically the tactile sensibilities of a piece, saying how he just really wanted to touch it. And that's what this work is about, but don't touch it. Sorry. So conceptually rooted work is also a pivotal point. Aesthetics and concept in the pod is nothing new, but just to let you have some insight into that. The other thing about that website, if you want to go and look at these artists' work outside of just a picture, you can click generally on their university website if they're a professor, or on their own personal website, and it'll bring you to another bunch of images for you to look at. So I'm really excited for all of these people to have this work here, and I'm quite honored that they accepted my invitation to this show. So I hope you take advantage of it. It's up for, 2 more weeks? And if you want to talk to me about it more, please do so. Thanks a lot for coming.
I'm going to go around the show here and show close-ups and get up inside the pieces as much as possible. If you want more information on the artists in this show, the URL is both at the beginning of this video and at the end. You can also just type in clay glaze pots into Google and you should be able to find the set marked Picture This.
Thank you.